Going on, guys? Benny Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I just want to talk about my bias, my trading bias for this week, the week of Sunday, December 17th, 2023. All right, the week before Christmas. So let's hop into it. First thing I want to say is I apologize about my previous videos because I was only looking at the December delivering contract, right? So, and I realized that, and what I've decided to do is just to start analyzing and trading off of the MNQ1 exclamation point. All right, and so that is basically, that just takes into account all the data for the micro NASDAQ. Okay, and I know some people prefer to just do their analysis off of the NASDAQ, just the full contract NASDAQ, but I'm liking my micros. So, all right, so in that, what I was calling all-time highs were not really all-time highs, right? And I kept saying there's no way that they were gonna get to all-time highs, and they got to it. And when I did a little further research, I was like, huh, that actually was not all-time highs. So this is actually the all-time highs for the micro NASDAQ futures. All right, so the all-time highs are $17,711.75. All right, so that is this point here, and that's clearly still open. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it because I already have my levels marked out just to make this quick. Okay, all right, so here on the weekly chart, and my biases are really simple and easy. All right, what did last week do into comparison to the previous week? All right, we see that last week took the previous week's high and closed above it. So my weekly bias is bullish, right? So I believe that these levels, one of some of these levels may get hit. All right, so my first weekly bias, all right, is right here at $16,887.25. My second bias or target will be $16,956, right? So that is the bottom portion of the weekly FVG. All right, I should also take into consideration the consequent encroachment of that as well. Let me see if I can. Nope, I should have marked that out. Give me 1 second. I'll mark that out for you guys. I know an easier way of doing that. Let me just grab my fib and bam, and we'll just mark that like that and change that to that. I'm gonna lock that in. All right, so my third target would be $17,103.50 for the week. All right, so for me, what I would want to see is the market to push down in order to push up. All right, so now I'm going to drop down to the daily. All right, and I'm going to do the same thing, guys. All right, I'm going to look to see what the daily did. Okay, so the daily, all right, Friday, this candle right here, if you pull it down some, if you look at its wick, it swept Thursday's high, right, and it closed below. So on the daily, right, I am bearish. Okay, so my first target on the daily is going to be $16,732.25. All right, and then my next target on the daily, let's do this, if it comes down this far. All right. All right. This will be my second target for the daily before heading up. All right. So we took external. All right. So yeah, we're going to be looking for internal. So I'm definitely going to be looking for $16,627.25 to be hit on the daily. All right. And my next target will be the consequent encroachment of this daily fair value gap, which puts us at $16,613.25. All right. So I'm looking for the market to, I would rather, I would rather see the market push down before taking out our weekly targets. But that does not have to be the case. It can come right out the gate, take out these weekly targets, and then begin to head down. I do not believe that we will see all-time highs this year, 2023. Right? That's just my personal belief, just because of everything that's kind of going on. All right. Let's see, just really quick. Let's see if we hit the mean threshold of this entire range. All right. Yes, we have hit the mean threshold, or I'm sorry, equilibrium. So let's do this. We'll just make it white. All right. So a discount price has already been delivered. So yes, the highs are definitely in sight, right? But I don't think, let's see, today is the 17th. That gives us 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 more days in the year. I don't think we'll see all-time highs here on the NASDAQ in 2023. That's what I don't think. We're gonna have to get some type of reaction off of this FVG or this order block. Excuse me. Here off of the monthly. All right. Now we did see the monthly. We do have an inverse FVG. All right. So let me just put that there. Here on the monthly, we have an inverse FVG. Right. Or we may see inverse FVG. Now this the market could just tank in the next 14 days, but I don't think it'll just tank like that. But I think we're gonna take out this external. All right, I think we'll close above this external high on the monthly, sitting at 16,469. Right, I think we'll take that external high. Right, and if we tap into this weekly fair value gap, I can see us coming down to what is this low? $14,347. All right, before we get to all-time highs. So this is all speculation. Of course, we're going to see how price does, but that is the overall picture. But again, for this week, I think that we are going to hit these weekly targets, these 3 weekly targets that I shared with you all. All right, and then if we drop down on a daily, again, ideally you want to see the market push down, take liquidity in order to go up. Doesn't have to be, but that would be textbook for me just to see that happen. So all right, guys, that is the weekly bias for this week. You guys comment down below and let me know what you think the market is going to do this week. And until next time, I hope you guys stay well. Talk to you later. Bye.